not be allowed to do a somersault.
You are the sunshine in my life.
Hey up YouTube! How you doing? You alright? Welcome to another vlog, guys. We are 30,000 feet in the air. We're going to the Gold Coast. Good eye, mate. At the front of the plane, we're on the first flight, 4 hours in, which means there's 20 hours left.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
We're at the front of the plane, actually. One sec. Can you hurry up? I woke up feeling a little ill this morning. Still living the dream. It's going to be an exciting 3 weeks representing Team England at the Commonwealth Games. I'm going to take you along, so if you haven't already, make sure you backflip into that subscribe button. We're changing the game on this channel. Become a Wilsonator now. Speaking of backflips, endeavouring to come up with the coolest, craziest content. I had an idea about 6 months ago when me and Court flew to Worlds. We had a cheeky little handstand on the aeroplane. I wondered if we could do the backflip. I want to do a backflip on an aeroplane. Maybe make it happen, maybe on the second flight. I just realised in the intro, I forgot to say it. If you're new here, my name is Niall Wilson and I do gymnastics.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
Hi, buddy.
Hello.
Are you a gymnast? No. So guys, we've got 24 hours on a plane. It's important that we get up, move about. This whole bod stiffens up because we have got a job to do at the other end, haven't we, boys? Wait, why are we going to Australia again? So we've got the elastic. A few of these, few of these, few of these. Teach the Wilsonator some exercises, James.
What need to look? Now I'm on rings.
Oh, did you hear that crack? Yeah. 5 years ago in 2013, me, James, Courtney, Dom all went to the Australian Youth Olympics, so we flew to Australia for a competition. Crazy to think that 5 years later that we were all selected for the Commonwealth team. Best story that came out of the whole trip was Dom got burnt to an absolute crisp.
He asked these to wake me up if I fell asleep on the beach. 2 hours later, he was this colour. He was dead.
Can we ping up? Have we got a picture?
Yeah.
Kids always wear sun cream, especially if you've got skin tone like myself. Hello there!
Hello there.
What are you doing?
Recognised you and you wanted to say no.
Oh, he's a Wilsonator!
I'm gonna be on the vlog, mate.
Right, we're in Abu Dhabi Airport, we've got Wilsonator riding a camel.
I'm not a Wilsonator still.
Sorry about that. No, because I've already got the ump. What's your name, bud? Ross.
Yeah.
It's my lucky day. Are you a Wilsonator? If you could speak, you'd have said yeah. We made it through the first leg. We're in Abu Dhabi about an hour and a half before we get on to the second 14-hour flight. Backs of my eyes are stinging slightly more every minute. Not feeling good. But we don't catch feelings. We catch flights and get jet lagged. Hey.
Catch feelings, we just catch flights and get jet lagged. Go call your brother, we just get stressed.
I'm just stretching out. I don't want to overdo it.
Do you want me to stretch it?
Your arms aren't even big, mate. I don't know.
What are you chatting? Got it.
Can you stretch my shoulders out, please, Pastor? Yeah. Thank you, God.
I remember days being broke, I was sleeping on my bedroom's floor. That's real.
Oh, is that nice? Right, wait. He's vlogging his trip. Coach Barry's got to tell the joke of the vlog. He's got to be in an Australian accent. So
G'day. What do the peanuts say? One was chasing the other peanut. I'm a cashew. I'm a cashew.
We'll take it for the first vlog.
I'm a cashew.
This could be it, YouTube. Stack. Settle. More of that, please. Settle down now. Come on. That changing colour. You've got this. You've got this. You're going to have to pull off something special here. And I believe in you. I think you can do this now, my guy. My guy. Don't you dare stop. Yes. You can do this.
24 hours later.
Baby, we made it. Look at this balcony, guys. We're settled into the village. We got here last night at around 10. What's that? Hit me. Enough of that here, guys. We're settled into the village. Look at this view. Oh my God. In our room, I'm not going to take you around it yet. We're going to have to wait till the next vlog where we do an apartment tour and a Commonwealth Village tour. We're still getting over the jet lag. I am absolutely... We got training in about 2 hours time, so we will take you along. stuck into the gymnastics, so that is what we're here to do first and foremost. So, the question is, did I do the backflip on the plane? Back to you, Nige. Right, is it the moment? Thanks Future now, by the way. I hope Australia is all good. You're welcome, buddy. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
So I do gymnastics. Is it possible for me to do a somersault on an aeroplane?
I do believe you because you were already doing your stretches.
No, I believe I can do it. I'm just asking, would I be allowed to do it?
Would this guy be allowed to do a somersault? Do you want to be offloaded? Are you drunk?
About an hour and a half away. I managed to get some sleep, but I'm feeling rough. It's the moment, so having thought long and hard about this decision and speaking with my coach Barry,
I'm a cashew.
I think it's not the greatest idea to do a back somersault on the plane on the way to the Commonwealth Games. Obviously it will be a tough element for me to do. There's plenty of room in this cabin with the lovely air hostesses. However, don't want it to look unprofessional. Take an unnecessary risk on the way out there. However, team, you're probably thinking, Niall, you how dare you clickbait. Got good news, in 3 weeks time I'm going to be back on an aeroplane. Compromise will be to do it on the way home, so stay tuned. Sorry to disappoint. Back to you in sunny Australia, Nige. I'm sorry guys, look, probably better if I do it on the way. Max, I'm vlogging! We'll be back on the plane. We're gonna do it, first time ever to do a backflip on a plane. Stay tuned. Join the team. It's gonna be epic. Looks like we're in a 5-star holiday destination. We're gonna make the most incredible videos. Max has got his drone. Changing the game, so please that subscribe button. Backflip straight into it. Follow this Commonwealth Games journey. We're here for the next 3 weeks in Australia. That is the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. There's nothing left to say really. By the way, coach already lost his phone.
I'm a cashew.
You found your phone? Yeah. There you have it, get your merch. Remember, train smart, keep it real. I'll see you in the next.